Hi everyone! Welcome to a little day in vlog. We had very different plans for today, but it has started raining torrentially, so we will not be going to the pumpkin patch as we had planned, but instead we will have a cozy day in vlog for you. We just got some pumpkins from the farmer's market though, so I'm going to show you those. So we've got a few pumpkins in the lineup. This guy was the first one I got this year. His name is Edmund. I haven't named most of the rest of them. This one is a little mushroom looking pumpkin that my mom got me for reaching 10,000 on Instagram. Don't even know what this guy is. He's a little warty, but I like him. Got that last week, I think. And then these three we got today. This one I think is called a cheese pumpkin. We're gonna try and make pie with either this one or this one. That's a Jardale, I think. This one I have no idea what it is, but we'll see. It's just really pretty. Look at that stem. Gorgeous, beautiful. There will probably be more in the future, but that's our lineup. We're gonna have a little snack now. So we've got the dill and truffle cashew spready thingy. It's so good, it's on sale. So we bought that, and then we have these little crackers, and then I think Brendan is cutting some cheese. So tomorrow is Canadian Thanksgiving and we are going to make a pumpkin pie. So we're gonna get started on roasting the pumpkins today and finish the rest of it tomorrow. But I'm excited because that means I get little snacks of pumpkins along the way. Make fun of me for stirring things with a chopstick.
I don't know if I ever did that.
You sure about that?
Mm-hmm. Only the measuring spoon.
We're making Beyond Burgers. So we have our pumpkin puree here from yesterday. I think it turned out pretty well. Look at that color. It's so pretty. Anyhow, on to making the pumpkin pie. This is stage 1 of the pumpkin pie. It's cooled now. We're gonna put a little squirrel cookie right there, and then we're going to do a pecan and brown sugar topping. So, and look at my handsome man. Look at this vest. His mom hand knit it. Hi. Sorry, I'm embarrassing him. He's weighing butter. Here is the finished product. Look at the little squirrel friend. So cute. Okay, so I'm going to do my makeup. I think I'm just gonna do a fairly simple look with a little bit of gold sparkles in the corner of my eyes. And the finishing touch, just plain lipstick, because let's be real, I'm gonna be eating a lot. It's gonna come off, so. Okay, I'm all set. See you guys later. Aren't those cute? Little pumpkins, acorns, leaves? We made it! The pie is intact! Fox! Hi! 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 I know!
They get a fox.
Hi, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.